Hello viewers. Today with Team Donovan, we're going to be making some lemon blueberry bread. Alright, let's get this party started. So, going to start with the wet ingredients. About a quarter cup of melted butter. Two eggs. About 1 lemon's worth of juice that I freshly squeezed. One cup of milk, which is warmed up a little bit. About a teaspoon of lemon zest. About 1 lemon, give or take. Punch up that flavor. 4 cups of flour, all-purpose. Half a cup of sugar, teaspoon of salt, and 2 1/4 teaspoon of instant yeast. I got the vanilla. That's alright. About a teaspoon. So just like that. Put it into the bread machine. Twist it in to lock. Shut it. And we're going to use a sweet bread. So menu to number 2. That's the menu 4. How'd I get there? Menu number 2. The loaf size is going to be 2 pounds, and the color we'll just keep it medium. Now, a couple minutes into this, I'm going to be adding something very delicious. Let's just check in on it, see if it needs any more flour, if it's too moist, or if it's too dry, we'll add some water, but it looks pretty good for right now. Now we're going to add the magic. Fresh blueberries. Let that mix in. Okay, it's done, so let's go ahead and check it out. That's what I'm talking about. So just twist, pull up. I'm just gonna go ahead and dump it. Woo. Look at that. We'll let it cool here for, I don't know, an hour or so, and then it'll be time to try. Alright, it's cool down, so let's go ahead and cut it here. Ooh, you can see all those blueberries. Look at that. I was just begging to be in. So now I have to have my taste tester. Take a look.
That is so good. You should definitely try it.